How should we be thinking about AI regulation?
Yeah, maybe we shouldn't be thinking about AI regulation, but just like the all the puzzle pieces that of regulation that are related to AI. So there's the puzzle piece of how to make safety so there's the puzzle piece of how to make sure that companies building AI systems build safe AI systems, explainable AI systems, predictable AI systems, and are liable for their development. That's something we've done for all other sectors before, and right now governments are still kind of struggling of how to regulate, especially big tech companies, like successfully. That is, how do we regulate all the big algorithms used by the kind of big 6, 7 companies? How would we have auditors checking whether the new generation of large language models are like explainable, predictable, aligned with like humanity's values? And how do we build that stream of regulation? An example for that regulation might be the EU AI Act that is kind of in negotiation in Europe. But then there are many other puzzle pieces of the whole field of AI regulation. That is, how to distribute the benefits of AI systems, how to decide what they're used for, or suppose we one day develop sufficiently strong AI systems such that we decide to kind of undeploy potential technology or stop the development for a certain period to, for instance, solve key safety challenges. How would this regulatory piece puzzle or possibility like work? So these are some pieces of AI regulation.